Just throw lemon peels in the toilet and you'll be amazed at the results. I only do it this way now. I'm sure you'll want to try it today. This tip is amazing and will bring great results to your home. We'll need a blender. Now add some lemon peel. I have the lemon peels, about 5 lemons. Add everything in here. Now let's add half a liter of water at room temperature. And finally, I'll add 2 tablespoons of table salt. That's it. Once that's done, cover the blender and blend until all the lemon peels have been crushed. Lemon is a great natural cleaner due to its citric acid power. This component has disinfectant properties. Once the lemon peels have been thoroughly crushed, strain the liquid using a colander. That's all you need. I highly recommend using lemon peels to clean the house. They can be very useful. They also help to neutralize bad odors, leaving the house with a fresh, natural scent. Transfer the liquid to an easy-to-use container for cleaning. Here I'm going to put it in a detergent bottle, but you can use any other container you prefer. Close the container. Now I'll show you how to use it. As you can see, my toilet has a lot of yellowish stains that won't come out even with expensive products sold ready-made in markets. Let's learn how to remove these stains. First, pour a little baking soda over all the stains you want to clean. Baking soda is an excellent cleaner. It fights dirt and eliminates bacteria. Now just pour our product over the entire toilet bowl. The combination of lemon and baking soda creates a wonderful chemical reaction for cleaning dishes and ingrained dirt. Then scrub all parts of the toilet bowl with a brush. This is wonderful, very easy and quick as it removes all the dirt effortlessly. Finally, flush the toilet. Our toilet will be super clean and odor-free. Best of all, it will smell wonderfully of lemon. Try it at home. I'm sure you'll like it. Godspeed and see you in the next video.